Okay, we're still looking at area. We talked about squares and rectangles last time. We started by counting actually the squares, how many squares were there. But now we're going to move into a new shape. We're going to call this parallelogram. Let me take a look at question number 9. Parallelogram, it looks like a slanted rectangle. Now the interesting part of a parallelogram is, let me cut a triangle here from the side. And I'm going to add it on this other side. So let me just say this triangle move here. Interesting part of my triangle, when I do that on parallelogram, it creates a rectangle. Now I know for a rectangle, I multiply the two numbers that cross at 90 degrees, the two angles that make the 90-degree, the two numbers that make the 90-degree angle. So in this case, I'm gonna go 7.8 times 3. I'm gonna use parentheses on both because if I just put them together, it would look like 7.83, and I don't want to do that. So I'm just gonna go 7.8 times 3. My result in this case will be 23.4. I'm only gonna work questions 9 and 10 on today's lecture, so just that. Let's take a look at question number 10. Let me cut this triangle here. I'm gonna move it to the other side. So it makes that triangle. Interesting part is, let me shade it in blue. I just made a rectangle. So a parallelogram makes a rectangle. And again, for rectangles, I'm gonna look at the 90-degree angle. And I'm gonna multiply the two numbers that make the 90-degree angle. One of the numbers is 4.5 and the other number is 8.5. So I'm just gonna go 4.5 times 8.5. Now, don't think you have to use every number. Some numbers there are just extras. I'm just gonna go 4.5 times 8.5 according to my calculator. That gives me 38.25. Notice how I cut a triangle from the left and I moved it to the right to make a rectangle. So that's it.